Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to give y'all an update on the video that I did last week about my Sons of Liberty Gunworks rifle that had a catastrophic malfunction due to no fault of Sons of Liberty at all. The fault was on me. Something was up with that reloaded ammunition, so no fault of theirs. So I made that post, made that video. Two reasons: I wanted to document what was going on, and then also I wanted to kind of put out there and show, hey, a quality firearm, when stuff like that happens, which it does from time to time, a quality firearm can keep you safe. And so I just kind of wanted to keep track of that. Well, I made that post and also shared it to my Facebook and Instagram account, and the owner, Mike Mihalski, actually reached out and said, hey, look, dude, it doesn't matter whose fault it is, send it back. Well, I'll replace it. And I responded to him. I said, hey man, I really appreciate it, but to be honest with you, I can't accept that. I wouldn't feel right accepting that that's no fault of yours. That is something that I did. And once again, he said, look, dude, just I'll replace it. That's part of the warranty. Well, once again, I said, man, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that. So I've got a couple lowers in my closet, stripped lowers from Sons of Liberty. I've got several bolt carriers from theirs that I have as well. Well, what I don't have was a stripped upper, and I'm having trouble finding one. So essentially what I did is I emailed their customer service and say, hey guys, Mike offered to fix this. All I need, can you sell me, provide me warranty, whatever. I just need an upper receiver. That's all I need. I've got everything else. I just need an upper receiver. Well, I got a phone call from Jessica, customer service warranty person, and she said, look, she asked me what happened. I told her what happened, and she said, look, just send us the rifle. I said, Jessica, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that. She said, that's what our warranty is. Regardless of whose fault it is, that's what we do. She gave me an example. She said, we've repaired people's rifles who stick a 300 blackout in a 223 upper. She said, just send us the gun back. We'll fix it. That's what the warranty is. That's what we do. So Friday, I believe the 9th of October, I packaged it, UPS'd it. They should have gotten it on the 12th, which I believe is Monday. And we will see what happens. I do not expect them to jump on this right away, guys. I'm gonna give them several weeks. They are doing me a favor. I am not gonna press them at all on this, but I wanna kind of document the process and kind of keep y'all up to date on their customer service and what's going on. But I'm thrilled. They said they're gonna fix what needs to be fixed, go over the rifle, and make it right. So kudos to you, Sons of Liberty. That is phenomenal. I would not expect that, but thank y'all so much. So I'll keep y'all updated, keep y'all posted. But I know sometimes their customer service gets a bad rap, but so far my experience has been awesome. Like I said, the fault was mine. They still offer to fix it, so we're gonna see what happens. But guys, be safe, be smart, be skilled. We will catch you on the next video. Bye.